What are those fingers in the mouth for? Oh, that's why you're doing that, huh? They taste good? Oh, you've got a lot to say tonight. Yeah. I want to hear all about it, though. I love our little conversation. Yeah, I love our conversations, too. What are you doing, Cade? Really? Oh, really? I think somebody's found their voice. Yeah. Yeah, I think somebody has. Hi, Doodlebutt. It's Mr. Smiley Pants. Say Merry Christmas, Cade. Say Merry Christmas, Cade. Say ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Yeah, thanks, man. I love you. I love you.